hair transplant cost, and tips to avoid complication. If you do like the video, please like, comment, and share it. To stay up to date with my latest videos and cool health and beauty tips, kindly subscribe if you have not done so yet. Hair transplant is performed to restore hair loss. One of the most common changes that occur in adults as we get older is hair loss. For some, it is simply a thinning of hair they used to have as a young adult. For others, however, the loss leads to alopecia or baldness. An effective solution for abnormal or extreme hair loss is a hair transplant. Hair transplant procedure. The surgeon who performs the procedure first analyzes the scalp and discusses with the patient the best approach to produce the most natural-looking effects with the hair transplant. Usually, the patient is instructed to refrain from using any medications that would interfere with the body's acceptance of the follicle grafts. A mild sedative is used on the patient prior to the operation. The scalp is then shampooed and carefully treated with antibiotic. The surgeon then makes a strip of skin from an area that is experiencing good hair growth. With this strip of hair, the surgeon carefully removes the individual follicle groups. These are carefully grafted into the scalp, with each graft individually placed. Hair transplant cost. Your hair transplant cost may vary according to the available services, as well as the surgeon fees and cost of the anesthetics and operation facility. Depending on these and other included factors, hair transplant in the United States may cost anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000. Hair transplant contraindications. Both smoking and the use of alcohol have been contributors to poor chances of survival of the grafts. Hair transplant complications. A temporary complication that may result from a hair transplant procedure is something known as shock loss. It is a temporary hair thinning that is a common side effect. It may be that the scalp and forehead, as well as other affected areas, may experience swelling and slight pain. Patients may also experience itching. However, scratching will cause scabs to form, which will be detrimental to the transplant. Most hair transplant patients have experienced a successful grafting of hair onto the bald spots on their heads. However, after a number of years, it is possible that they might once again experience thinning of the hair and will require further treatment. If you experience certain symptoms, your physician will prescribe you an appropriate treatment to fight against these health issues. Advanced Vaginal Tightening Gel and Intimate Wash Set. Tightening Gel. Fast-acting vaginal tightening gel. Feel tight and fresh. Be a virgin again. Intimate Wash. A natural alternative for vaginal yeast infection, vaginitis, fishy vaginal odor, vaginal itching, vaginal burning, vaginal discharge. Be fresh and tight from now on.